Hi everyone. Okay, Cocoa Daisy came in. I am so excited to see this. This is what I've been waiting for. It is going to be so awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's take everything out. This is from last month. Let's see if I can remember. What is what? Okay. Oh, I know what that is. Okay. And then I know what this is, and I know what this is. Okay, so I know what I got this month. Woohoo! So I love how we always get a note from Christine. So that's cool. Okay, what should I start with first? We're going to leave the one I've been loving for a while now. So we're going to do this one first. This is the planner. No, this is the standard Dori. It's called the standard Dori kit. So it's the whole kit and caboodle. Oh, look at the pen. This is so pretty. Let me scoot you in, okay? Okay, and that's Bus. Bus is comfy. He's happy. He's in his happy zone. So he is snoring. I love the gems in the middle. And it's a lightweight. It's not a good thunker. Not a good forehead thunker. So okay, and then we have our washi tape. Very, very cute. And we have, I love these. Look at that. That is so pretty. That is the clip with the little enamel, or what are they? It's a little charm. There we go, a charm. So that's that one. Oh, look at, we get a tag. This is a pretty tag. I love that. Let's see. There you go. That is, love the tag. I love stuff like that though. So, and then we get our note, let me scooch in even more. Hold on. Okay. Then we get our notepads, the little one, which is awesome. It's a little grid and numbered. I love that. That's awesome. And then we also get the die cuts. Very nice. Love that. And then let's see, we always get a bag. Very, very pretty. Let me open it real quick. I didn't even know we got this one. That's cool. I hadn't seen anybody post this one. So what's inside? Ooh, it's pure white. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like that one too. Okay, and then we have the rest of the kits. Let's see. Get the bigger notepad. Love. That's awesome. This is January's kit. The standard little... why is it not focusing? There we go. So that's the standard. This one's also the standard, and this one's also the standard. So these are all standard what you get in all the kits. So very cool. The dashboards. Look at the dashboards. Let me scooch you out. So I scooted you in last time. So remember, you get 3 dashboards, but they are all they're double-sided. So this one is this one. Okay. See? So I love that. It's awesome. So that's one. And then this one. This one is this one. Ooh, I like that. That's the butterfly. I love distressed. I love distressed. The look of distressed stuff. I just love it. It's just awesome. That's awesome. Okay, that is the dashboard. Now this is the standard Dori. This is the one I get. I was hoping they would offer the, there's a Dori, I think it's a plain Dori. I'm hoping to switch that one, but it's not offered yet. So, but I do want I think the other one doesn't have like grids and all that stuff. I can't remember what it's called. Yeah, I can't remember what it's called. So, I love the inserts of these. It's just so pretty. They're all different. Each page is different, so it doesn't, there's no 2. So I like that. Oh, that's awesome. That is really awesome. Now I know one lady said that she joined. Now you have to email Mary Kay and let her know that you joined because of me, and give her my name, and we both get the $10 off the store, not off your subscription. And you have to subscribe in order to get the $10 off. So and then it'll be $20 or more. So you spend $20 in the store, then you can use your $10 coupon. So, but you have to email her and you have to give her my name and let her know that you subscribe because of me, and then we both get $10. So I love this. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Live what you love. So that's awesome. Okay, so this is the standard Dori kit. Now this one is $26.99 a month. This is, so all the stuff I got today, I pay $80.23. That is how much this, everything I'm showing you right now, that is what my total is each and every month. So the standard Dori is $26.99, and I think that's because I did the 6 month. I think that's the 6 month price, because you have a 3 month or a 6 month price. So you need to make sure you choose which. I have not regretted my decision at all. So I will gladly sign up for another 6 months. So this is one of the washies. Each washi is different too. You're gonna focus. There we go. Taking its sweet time. Okay, so and then you get another ink pad. Their ink pads are really juicy, so it's actually really cool. So what do we have? We have, ooh, it's a metallic, silver metallic. Ooh, that's awesome. I like that. Oh, and you get little baby tags. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh, so, oh, what are these? They are tags, right? They go like this. Oh, that's neat. How many do you get? You get a butt ton of them, so that's cool. I like that. Ooh, and you get a stamp. This is this stamp. New plan, keep doing, begin doing, currently, positive vibes. The best time for new beginnings is now. I like big goals and I cannot lie. You got this. That's awesome. I like that one. And then let's go with the paper clips. Remember, this is the planner add-on. This one is $15 a month. And it doesn't matter what add-on or what, you can subscribe just to the planner add-on. You don't have to subscribe to everything else. You pick and choose what you want, which is cool. Those are nice. I like that. Let's see. Then you have these die cuts, which you get these. I have yet to figure out what to do with these yet, so, but the minute I get rid of them, then I'll realize, oh my god, I could have used them for that. So it's like, oh my gosh, what do you do? Okay, so those are the little die cuts. This is the standard, what you get in your planner add-on, which is the 4x6 Hug Harder, Laugh Louder, Smile Bigger, Love Longer journal card. And then you get, you also get 3x4 cards. Oh, I like that. That's nice. And then these are standard also. So you get 3 of them, yeah. You get 3 of them. This is the letters and numbers. Welcome to 2019. That's awesome. And then this one. That's awesome. Okay, so that's the planner add-on. That's worth 15 bucks. I love what I get each month. It's just amazing. So, and this is the new thing. Oh my god. When she offered this, I was like, yes, I want this. This is the new Traveler's Notebook subscription. And it's the standard. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see. I have not seen it at all. Okay, so it's the standard, I believe. So I know, because this was the start of it, This was a new subscription. She offered, if you signed up, you would get a free, what is this? Cover? The TN, not album, but you know what I mean. So it holds your TN in here. So that is awesome. Do you want me to open it? That way we can play with it. Let's see. And she offers this in the store. I saw it in the shop. I don't remember what it was under. But so and look, it has the Cocoa Daisy little brand. But your TN goes in there, and you have pockets. And then this is how it shuts. This is awesome. So that fits a standard Dori. So I don't know if she's still offering it with a new subscription or if you have to buy it separate. I don't know. But this is what it holds. Is this the same? Oh, it's different. Oh, I love it. It's different. It's awesome. I didn't know you got one. Oh, and look at, so you can put your pictures and then you can just leave this plain. Oh, that's awesome. You can double decorate. Oh, look at that. I love it that it's different than the other standard Dori. Oh, this is so neat. Oh, wow. And a plain one. Oh, gosh. This, oh, wow. I am in love. I am totally, totally in love. This is awesome. Oh, look at that. Wow. I love that. So this is what you do. You take your cover and then you find the middle and then you just pick up one of these and you put it, you slide it in, and that is it. And then you can put, you can put more than one. So this is the other one. It holds 4 because that's what these other ones do too. So it actually holds four of these, which makes them, yeah, I love chunky. So it would be chunky if you added 2 more and then once you fill them. So that's awesome. Okay, now these are, let me see what else. Oh, I didn't even know what we got. Oh, that's trash. So this one is $29.99 a month. So this is another charm. Right now. That's cute. So you get another charm. Oh, I love puffy stickers. Puffy stickers are just amazing. They really are. So you get arrows for puffy stickers. I love that. I'm constantly using arrows. Here is another washi tape, which is different, which is cool. So that's another one. And then you get a stamp set. Ooh, look at that one. So this one says fragile. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. So I know I'm keeping this stamp set. That's awesome. So you get that. Oh, what is this? Oh, you get pockets. I love getting the pockets. The pockets are so pretty. Look at, you get, oh, keep going, keep growing. Oh, look at that. These are pockets, so if you're not, you have to be gentle. Last time I ripped one. So that's the pocket, so you can stick whatever you want in there. I don't like, does it fit? No, you have to cut it down a little bit more. But those are pockets. And then you get the tabs. You get some tabs. That's awesome. I just love Cocoa Daisy and Felicity Jane too. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving what I'm subscribing to, you guys. It's just awesome. Very, very creative and very, nothing is ever like the same. The patterns or anything. I think that's the coolest part. So I love the uniqueness of these companies. You know, you can't get it anywhere else. And I love that. So unless you subscribe, you can't get it. Well, unless you buy it from somebody. But you know what I mean. So it was a January day. So you got metallic. Oh, I love the tag. I have a thing for tags. So I love tags. So you have all these little pieces and parts, which are awesome. On this day, oh, look at the tags. Those are neat. All you need is, it's a good day. Oh, I love these too. I love the stamp stuff. I do. I love the postage look. I love that. It's awesome. And tickets. I love tickets too. Oh my gosh, this is just like right up my alley. You guys want to, let me scooch in, that way you can kind of see it a little closer. So hold on. Wrong way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, so here. This is all of them. So neat. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to scooch it back out. Okay, and then now you get, what do you get? You get dashboards. I'm so excited to go organize this stuff. So you get another tag, which I'm excited about. Yes. And, okay, so, oh wow, so you get alphabet. Oh, lowercase and uppercase. Nice. Then you get the little, oh, see, I love that. You can never have enough. For some reason, I can't think of what my words are today. Well, that's mainly all the time. Labels, blah. Okay, so, oh, these are dashboards. So you get, oh, okay, so you get dashboards, more dashboards. Let me put you out a little bit more. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so pretty. These are the dashboards. So that's one. So let me see how they go. Oh wow, you get all kinds of them. That's awesome. Okay, so this is this one. This is double-sided, so that's 2. And you get this one is 3. Oh, nice. That's 3. This one is 4 and 5. That's awesome. Okay, so you get 5. That's so cool. I love it. Okay, so that's what you get for $29.99. I'm happy. This is worth it. I love it. So yeah. All right, guys. So like I said, if you subscribe, email Mary Kay. It's all in the description box, and then we both get $10 off the store once you do $20 or more, and it doesn't go towards subscriptions. So you guys, Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, happy December. Almost January, so pretty cool. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you later. We'll see you next month.